If you remember the old Toyota CHR from a few years back, small, slow, and let's be honest, kind of forgettable, it's time to erase that memory because the 2026 Toyota CHR is nothing like its past self. It's back. It's electric. And it might just be Toyota's most exciting EV yet. Welcome back to Shift Path. Today we're diving into a full first look at the all-new 2026 Toyota CHR that's coming to the US market. And trust me, this is not your kid's CHR, so buckle up because this electric SUV just changed the game. Right off the bat, the 2026 CHR looks like it belongs in a completely different class. Sleek, sophisticated, aggressive, and stylish enough to raise eyebrows in any parking lot. Built on Toyota's e-TNGA EV platform, the new CHR is now nearly 180 inches long. That's just a hair shorter than a RAV4. So forget the cramped space of the old model. This one's got real presence and real room. And don't be fooled by its coupe-like roofline and hidden rear door handles. It's still practical where it counts. You get 25.4 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row seats and a flexible 60-40 split for extra storage when you need it. Now let's talk trims. Toyota's going sporty with this one. Only SE and XSE variants will be available. That's right, no L or LE, just the bold stuff. Both trims scream athleticism, especially when you throw on those optional 20-inch wheels. It's an EV with serious style points. Under the hood, well, technically under the floor, you're getting a sizable 74.7 kilowatt-hour battery. That's paired with dual electric motors for standard all-wheel drive, pumping out a combined 338 horsepower. Toyota claims it can hit 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds. 5 seconds in a CHR. Let that sink in. Range: Toyota estimates around 290 miles, which is respectable, even if it's a bit short of the newly updated BZ sibling. Charging also gets a bump. DC fast charging now peaks at 150 kilowatts. That's not groundbreaking, but it's enough to keep you moving. More importantly, Toyota finally added battery preconditioning, automatically or manually triggered when you're heading to a fast charging station. So yeah, faster charging, better efficiency, and smarter tech under the surface. Step inside, and you're greeted by a familiar but improved Toyota cockpit. Front and center is a 14-inch touchscreen running the latest audio multimedia system. This time, climate controls are integrated right into the display for a cleaner, modern look. There's also a digital gauge cluster, a rotary gear selector, and even dual wireless phone chargers in the center console. It's clear Toyota learned from the BZ4X. This cabin feels a lot more premium and intuitive. Materials feel solid, the design is fresh, and the stretched wheelbase gives you decent legroom in the back, even if headroom might be tight for taller passengers. Toyota also added thoughtful extras: a 1500-watt household outlet, JBL sound system with subwoofer, and an adjustable cargo floor to squeeze out every inch of practicality. Bottom line, this thing might be compact, but it's packed with value. But let's not kid ourselves. The success of the 2026 CHR will hinge on one thing: price. If Toyota can land this EV around the low $30,000 mark, they might finally break into the electric mainstream. That's the magic number. Because even with slightly lower range and charging speeds compared to some rivals, the CHR's stylish looks, usable space, and everyday practicality could make it one of the best EV values on the market. And with the CHR arriving alongside the refreshed BZ for 2026, Toyota's EV lineup is finally starting to feel competitive. So what do you think? Would you consider the new CHR if it hit that $30K sweet spot? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this first look, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Shift Path for more deep dives into the hottest cars hitting US roads. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.